Running comps on Zillow involves evaluating recently sold properties similar to the one you're interested in to determine its market value. Here's a concise guide. Log in. Access the Zillow website and log in with your credentials. Search for the property. Enter the address of the property you want to evaluate in the search bar. View property details. Click on the property to view its detailed page, including features, square footage, and lot size. Access comparable sales. Scroll down to the price history and tax history section. Click on nearby similar sales or similar homes to view recently sold properties. Filter comparable properties. Use filters to narrow down the list to properties that are similar in size, age, condition, and location. Focus on properties sold within the last 3 to 6 months to get the most current market data. Analyze the data. Compare the sale prices of the similar properties to the property you're evaluating. Look at price per square foot, days on market, and any significant differences in features or condition. Take notes. Note any patterns or significant differences. Adjust your property's estimated value based on these comparisons.